was a time when Roger looked into the birdie's eyes. In a happy nest, it sat down with its babies there. Yeah! Those days are gone. Now the birdie's guts are on the wall. And the songs from the places where the birdies were born. On the tree, blue lake, I ate my first birdie. Still remember how I got sick. Our best friend said, don't you worry, child, 'cause Roger ain't a bird for you. Don't you worry now, potato. I met a bird of a different kind. I ate it too. I thought I'd never lose it out of sight. So young, though it never even left its nest. I still hear the songs reminding me of a bird. The tree across the blue lake, there I ate the best birdie. I still remember how I got sick. And my best friend said, don't you worry, child.